Here we go. Where'd they get the dynamite?
Yeah.
Then it's over?
Not quite.
And that's why I think these Uncle Buckle-Up dolls are the best Uncle Buckle-Up dolls yet.
Nice line.
Jorge?
Actually, I kind of want to do that to him myself.
I understand that, Colonel, because that's what a good manners mole would have done.
You too, Sid.
Gee, thanks, Murdoch. Come on, guys. I'm dancing my heart out there.
Hey, give me my bear costume. What are you guys doing here? Excuse me.
Ruff the Bear doesn't drink.
What are you, nuts?
Sydney!
You want to tell me what's going on?
It's not that I don't appreciate what you've done, but in this business, it's not courage that counts. It's nepotism that's important.
Thank you, Sydney. That's right. If you'll excuse me, I must rehearse. Pardon me.
You're going to AA, Jorge. Not a bad rhyme, huh?
10 seconds to air.
Listen, as long as you're here, what do you say to one performance?
Are you kidding? This is it, guys. This is like 42nd Street. I'm going out there like a kid, and I'm coming back a star.